One of my Tennessee peeps asked the question, hey Eli, what surprised you the most when you toured the old Brushy Mountain prison last weekend? Well, that would be when I walked up to the jail cell, number 28, James Earl Ray, the one that took out Martin Luther King Jr. Yeah, that was the very cell. Check it out. The man that killed Martin Luther King. And then here's his cell. Cell 28. The game to be sold, not to be told. Wow. James Earl, that killed Martin Luther King Jr., did these. James Earl.